Google has begun rolling out a new Fast Emergency Dialer (FED) feature designed to help users traveling internationally quickly access police, fire, and medical services. 9 to 5 Google reported. The dialer was reportedly first seen last year through the Pixel's emergency app, but Google confirmed to Android Police that FED is currently rolling out to a wider release. Accessing the Fast Emergency Dialer when your phone is unlocked will vary by device. Though it's designed for international traveling, anyone can use it at any location. According to the Google support page, the emergency dialer will show options relevant to your location. The emergency dialer has 2 locations, according to 9 to 5 Google: on the phone's lock screen through the emergency call button or the power menu once you've unlocked your device. The Google support page points out that accessing the FED via the power button depends on your device. Android 11 and earlier in Android 12 on the Pixel 5 and earlier can access it by holding down the power button for 5 seconds, tapping emergency, and using the slider in the emergency menu. With the default settings for Android 12 on Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, you'd press the power and volume up button at the same time, then tap emergency and use the slider. If you want easier access to the power and emergency menu on a Pixel 6, we've got you. Follow these instructions to make that the priority for a long press instead of Google Assistant. The FED feature isn't available in all regions, Google support says. Pixel owners who don't have access to the FED where they are or who haven't had it enabled yet can still access the traditional emergency dialer as they would have before.